How to lock your profile on IMO. First, open your IMO app. Then, click on the upper left corner of your screen and select Security and Privacy. After that, simply scroll down and then on the Privacy section, click Profile Privacy. Now, on the upper portion of the screen, there is this new feature called Lock Profile. Simply select this and tap this Enable button. And starting now, your profile information is only available to your IMO contacts. Other users can only see your username in the profile. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.